Okay, today I'm going to be talking about the Shure MVL Lavalier Microphone. It's a little lavalier microphone you're supposed to plug into your smartphone, iPhone, or Android device. But we're going to do something different today. Come on, let's get started. Here's what comes with the Shure MVL. You get the box, obviously. You get a ton of manuals, safety manuals, limited warranty, and then of course you get the lavalier mic itself. And if you look close, the connection is TRRS, so it's made for plugging into an Android or an Apple device. But what we're going to do, oh, plus, almost forgot this, and you get this carry pouch to put everything inside. What we're going to do today is we're going to use this little adapter, and this adapter goes so you can take a TRRS connection, put it in here, and then I'm going to plug this into a Zoom H1 recording device. And that's going to allow us to be able to use the Zoom's preamps to get really, really clean audio. Let's go! Okay, let's get right into it. The Shure MVL is a small lavalier microphone. Let's pull it out of the pouch here again. Again, it comes with an 1/8 inch TRRS connector. It's got a nice foam windscreen, which I like it because in the back of it, it's got rubber so it fits all the way over the top of this microphone capsule. Comes with a nice clip to clip it to your shirt. Let's read what it says on the back. Works with iOS and Android. 1/8 inch TRRS connector, so a 3.5 millimeter omnidirectional condenser microphone with exceptional signal to noise ratio. It works with the Shure MOTIVE app. There's an app to use this with. So it includes the windscreen, tie clip, and pouch. Let's hook it up, see how it's going to sound. So I'll have the information about this adapter down in the notes down below this video. But anyway, basically what it is, it's an adapter, takes an 1/8 inch TRRS connection and enables you to plug in an 1/8 inch TRS, or just a basic stereo connector. I'm going to plug it into this side of the Zoom. Turn the Zoom H1 on. Turning on. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this, but I usually clip my lavalier off to the side, not right in the center. And if you look at this, you want to get it so that it's peaking around -12 dB. That's what I like to set it for. So if you go down in here, you can adjust the gain on this thing by clicking these up and down. So for me, the way I've got this set up, I've got it set up so that I'm at a gain of 65 on this thing, and that gets me right around peaking to no more than -12 dB. So I have it on right now. Let's see how it sounds. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2. Testing, 1, 2. Now I'm going to give it 5 seconds of silence. And that's it. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this quick review and sound check of the Shure MVL Lavalier Microphone. I had fun putting it together, and I think it sounds fantastic. There's only one thing I want to do. I want you to hear what this sounds like as I'm talking into it right now, as opposed to the mic that is inside of my Sony a6000. So now, here's the Sony a6000 sound. And then let's go back to the Shure MVL now. What a huge difference. This will make a huge difference for your YouTube videos and for other things that you want to do that have to do with having good audio. I also wanted to let you know that as of right now, at this moment, the price on this Shure MVL is around $69. That's at B&H Photo, Adorama, zZounds, and Sweetwater Sound. So 69 bucks. I think the retail price on it is $84 or $86. $86 is is the full list price of it. So $69 for this microphone isn't a bad deal. So thanks again for watching, and have a good day.